All right, today we got another episode of Wedge Wars. Today, you guessed it, we're battling 60-degree wedges. Callaway Mack Daddy 4 versus Titleist SM7, both 60 degrees, both getting put to the test. There's not two of us, it's just me, gonna do it right now. Let's go. All right, we're gonna start off nice and simple. This little shot right here. I would use a 60 for this pretty much all day long. I'm gonna start off with my Titleist SM7, 60 degree. Oh, I got 12 degrees in bounce, D grind. Easy shot. Should be able to make one of these, or all three. Not bad, not bad. I should have made one. All right, now we got Callaway, 60 degree, 12 degrees of bounce, X grind. Mack Daddy 4, let's see what we got. Same exact shot. I'll move those balls out of the way so we don't get any interference. So just mentally remember where they were, all right? Pretty simple shot, both performed pretty well, really well. There's two totally different feels and looks when you look down at the ball. The top edge looks totally different on this than it does on that. So just whatever you prefer. Let's go to phase two. All right, I wouldn't wish this shot on my worst enemy. Well, maybe my worst enemy, but not you guys, not you guys. This is horrible. This is thick kikuyu grass. It's horrible. So we're gonna go right to this blue flag and see how they perform. 3 shots each out of this mess. That's an ugly lie, I'll tell you, that's ugly. Let me go get those out of the way. However, I'll take any of those shots any day of the week out of here. Now it's the SM7 has a chance at this Cabbage Patch. I'm just throwing it in. Whatever happens, happens. All right, the Titleist got the worst of the breaks in terms of lies. However, in my opinion, both performed very well out of this thick, gnarly, kikuyu, horrible lie stuff. I'll do another video coming out soon where I show you how to hit the shot. It's not that hard, but it just takes the right technique. But that's another video. Today, we're just doing Wedge Wars. Crazy lie. Third and final phase, right now. All right, I wasn't gonna do this shot, but you talked me into it. It is the high flopper, the flop. Open that face up, full swing. We're going right here to the first flag, this blue guy. I'm a little nervous, there's people back there. We could kill somebody. 3 shots each, let's see what we can do. This is not something I would normally do with this type of situation, but for the sake of the video, I'll put myself out there. 3 each, here we go. Way too far. All right, much better. Third one was pretty good. let's clean up the green and we'll get the next club. All right, Mack Daddy 4 now. Same shot, let's see what we got. Both a little deep. Let's see if we can tighten it up. Not too bad. Both the same bounce, both the same everything. I feel like I can open up the Callaway Mack Daddy a little more and lay it flat on the ground. Similar grinds too, so this just feels, I can feel the bounce more on this. Some people like that, some people don't. I don't know. It's up to you. You let me know. All right, that's another episode of Wedge Wars. The 60-degree wedges around the green. Let me know who won this battle. Comment below, like your opinion, which one you like the best, which one you think won the war. All right? Thanks for watching. Please hit the like, share, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. We'll see you in the next Wedge Wars.